Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to judge an oscillating tool blade good or bad. Oscillating tool blades are already a very mature product on the market, and we've built on this foundation to make the cutting speed and the durability even better. The product will be featured in this video this time will be our oscillating tool blade series. I am not liberty mention other brands' name, but these blades are already readily available on the market. So how can I show how good the blade in the most efficient way? Framing nails, siding nails, building screw nails, and masonry nails. We will use the masonry nails directly as the test object, because they are made from hardened steel about 51 HRC, which is inherently suitable for stronger material than just wood. If the blade can cut the masonry nails, and then you don't have to worry about the previous 3 nails. In addition, in order to ensure the fairness of the test, we will use the same plug-in oscillating tool to do the test. Each blade will cut a certain number of nails in a row. That actually took me a very long time to hammer them in. My right arm is still in pain right now, so please guys, give me a like. We will stop cutting as soon as the blade can keep going, and then count how many nails it cut in total. So are we clear here? Let's get started. Now, we use 7 times speed to show the process of cutting nails with 3 different brands of oscillating tool blades. The brand 2 is first to stop. It cuts total of 9.5 nails. As we can see, the teeth of the blade are badly damaged. The scorched black is most visible in the center, which we primarily use it for cutting, and there are missing teeth on the left and the right side. Now brand 1 has stopped as well. It cut 9 nails in total. The 10th nail was more likely to be dragged out instead of cut. The damage to the teeth was more than we thought. The whole teeth in the middle area was completely gone. Due to the high temperature, Scotch black can also be found on the board. Because of the difference in resistance of annealing, the first 2 brands of the blade already start to generate a lot of heat and affect the cutting effect when cutting the second nails. Our T-Rex saw blade, on the other hand, did not show the sign of the burn black until the 14th nails. This proves that our blades are very resistant to annealing, which provides a great durability. There are 2 types of T-Rex blades. We are using the one that has the advantage of durability. First, let's see the chuck part. We use the 4-0 manganese premium carbide structural steels. It's a steady structure that can securely clamp the blade body. And the body was made of 6-5 manganese premium spring steel for increased stability. As a result, you won't have to worry about the broken issue while working. The teeth are then made of industrial carbide tungsten cobalt, which has a hardness of 92 HRA, making the teeth sharp and fast cutting. Well, not that fast, but consistently fast. And most importantly, we have a double extra coating on the teeth, titanium nitride and aluminum titanium nitride. The titanium nitride coating is an industrial coating that is not inferior to decorative titanium. It improves the surface hardness, is anti-corrosive, and protects the carbide teeth. The aluminum titanium nitride coating is an extremely hard coating. It provides exceptional oxidation resistance and extreme hardness at more than 2,800 HV. This coating works well in very demanding cutting tool applications. These 2 combinations ensure industrial cutting and the superior chip evacuation. I can assure you that almost no oscillating tool blade on the market can match our T-Rex blade. We have spent a lot of time on this, looking at the way to increasing the cutting speed and hardness of our blade. It is no exaggeration to say that one piece of our blade is equivalent to multiple blades of other brands. You don't believe it, right? Try it yourself, please. And also, we will keep doing our best to improve our product. If you like our video, please hit the subscribe button And we will see you next time. Bye bye.